Social media Osint, or open source intelligence, has become one of the most powerful and widely used investigative techniques in cybersecurity, law enforcement, journalism, and corporate security. It leverages the vast amounts of publicly available information people voluntarily share across platforms like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, and countless niche networks. The process begins with identifying target accounts through username searches across multiple platforms using tools like Sherlock, Social Searcher, or simply Google's advanced search operators. These tools can reveal accounts using the same profile picture, email address, or unique username patterns, even when individuals attempt to keep their online identities separate. Once accounts are located, investigators analyze the metadata hidden in posts. Geotags embedded in photos reveal location history, timestamps establish activity patterns, and device information, often visible in API responses or hidden HTML classes, can fingerprint the technologies a subject uses. Advanced techniques include examining social graphs through friend and follower analysis to map professional and personal relationships. Investigators also track edit histories on platforms like Facebook that cache previous versions of edited posts, and scrape comments and likes to identify secondary accounts or undisclosed affiliations. Professional investigators often create custom scripts, using Python libraries like Tweepy for Twitter or Instaloader for Instagram to systematically collect and analyze large volumes of social data. They maintain meticulous documentation to establish a chain of custody for potential legal proceedings. The true power of social media. Osint emerges when correlating information across platforms. A LinkedIn job title can confirm the authenticity of a Facebook profile, while a unique Instagram photo might reappear on a dating profile with different biographical details, revealing deception or alternate identities. Platform-specific techniques vary significantly based on each network's architecture and privacy settings. Twitter's advanced search operators allow pinpointing tweets by location, date range, and keywords, while Facebook's graph search, though increasingly restricted, can still uncover connections between people, places, and organizations through clever query crafting. LinkedIn becomes particularly valuable for corporate investigations, where employee profiles often reveal internal technologies, organizational structures, and project details that threat actors could exploit, while also serving as a rich source of information for social engineering attacks. Instagram and TikTok provide visual intelligence through image EXIF data, when not stripped by the platform's background scenery analysis, and even reflections in sunglasses or mirrors that can inadvertently reveal locations or associates. Specialized networks like Reddit require different approaches, where tools like Reddit Investigator or PushShift's Archive can analyze posting history across deleted content and track edits to uncover valuable behavioral patterns. The ethical and legal considerations surrounding social media Osint are complex. While the data is technically public, collecting and analyzing it at scale may violate platform terms of service or run afoul of privacy laws like GDPR, depending on jurisdiction and use case. Professional investigators establish clear rules of engagement documenting what data was collected, how it was obtained, and the legitimate purpose for its use. They often implement technical safeguards like automated redaction of unnecessary personal details. Commercial tools like Maltego EchoSec and Scopanow help automate portions of this process while maintaining compliance frameworks. Though many practitioners prefer custom solutions to avoid detection by platforms' anti-scraping mechanisms. The field continues evolving as platforms change their APIs and privacy controls. Recent restrictions on Facebook's graph search and Twitter's API changes have necessitated new techniques like browser automation with Puppeteer or Playwright to simulate human browsing patterns when collecting data. Emerging challenges include identifying deepfake profiles, detecting AI-generated content, and tracking misinformation campaigns that deliberately manipulate social media ecosystems. Despite these hurdles, social media Osint remains an indispensable tool when conducted responsibly, providing insights into subjects' behaviors, networks, and potential vulnerabilities that simply cannot be obtained through other investigative means in our increasingly digital society.